everyone, good afternoon. My name is Bianca Kamnitzer. I'm a director with Pampered Chef, and I have a great team under me. I've been with the company for about 3.5 years, and I'm super excited about this mega party. This is a fun thing that we're doing, so I'm gonna jump right in. I'm gonna grab my apron because I forgot my apron, and what is a Pampered Chef consultant without her apron? So, got my apron on now, and I am feeling like myself again. I am going to be demoing what is my favorite product, and I have to tell you, when I first started, I thought of this as kind of like a gadget, if you could call it that. Pampered Chef, I think sometimes for some people, Pampered Chef has kind of a reputation for being a little gadgety, and I have to say, especially since I've been with the company, we are way less gadgety and more about our essentials, but we have a few tools that I think some people, and myself included, could call gadgets, but they're so useful. So if ever there was a gadget that I loved, it's this one, okay? So this is called the Close and Cut. Can you hear my 5-year-old off camera mimic? She's mocking everything I say. It's really awesome. So if I break my concentration, it's because of that crazy little one that's on the couch. Okay, so the Close and Cut, it's brilliant. You might have seen people using 2 plates put together where they slice through things. The problem with that is plates squish your food, they slide around, they're not stable, so the solution, or being able to keep your hand safe, is not happening with just 2 plates or lids. This has spring-loaded top and bottom. It has holes on the top and the bottom, and that is for drainage. And that allows you to be able to cut chicken in this, and then dishwash it, drain it so it's totally safe, and then you are able to, hang on a sec. Iris, I need you to stop, please. Okay? Thank you. The life of a mommy is never over. So the drainage allows it to drain completely, so there's no bacteria that gets trapped in this. And then you can use it for grapes, bagels, all sorts of things. So today we're going to do grapes because I'm prepping for some snacks for my little one, and also I am prepping for what my favorite salad is in our recipe section on our website, which is the Asian chicken lettuce wraps. And then I'm also going to do tomatoes because I've prepped my lettuce in my salad spinner, and I'm going to make some salads for the week for me to eat. And also I'm going to do the other thing with our grapes is another chicken salad that I can make into sandwiches this week. So without further ado, oh, and I did want to tell you, the other thing I love this for is bagels. Bagels, I'm pretty sure the statistic I read is right, but bagels are the #1 way that people cut their finger in the kitchen, slicing bagels, because we try to slice bagels like this and like this. And so I get a dozen bagels. I put them in one at a time, hand totally protected. I slice right through each bagel, and then I freeze them all, and my teen and my kids can just take them out and put them into the toaster. So that is a great use. Also, chicken breasts. If you guys get your chicken breasts from Costco or Sam's Club, they're huge chicken breasts, and that is not a 1 portion serving. So those are really in my family, that's good for 2 of us and the 5-year-old. So I get my chicken in bulk, and then I slice them in half, and sometimes I even slice them again to make chicken tenders. In this, they're totally evenly sliced, so that does 2 things. One, it saves you money, because you can put half of that in the freezer and freeze if you want to. And then the other thing it does is it allows for the chicken to cook evenly. So if you're using our grill pan and press like I'm going to do today, it will cook evenly. It cuts your cooking time down in half. So chicken, it's a great thing. So first I'm going to do grapes because I can do the tomatoes right after the grapes and the flavor won't matter. So you just load it all. I hope everyone can see it, okay? You just load all your grapes on here. Fill it. Oop, that's a bad grape. Fill it until you can't fit anymore. If you were doing salads for a party that had olives, this would be great for olives too. So you just cover it. You want to make sure that this point of the knife sticks out the end of this. Okay? So I'm just going to go my daughter was saying, I can't wait for grapes in the other room. So I'm glad she's excited. Oh, she makes me laugh. Okay, so boop, 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 right through. And if you can see, it cuts your grapes right in half evenly. There's your halves. So I'm just going to put these right in here, and you're going to see how quickly I go through. I'm going to spill half my grapes on the counter because everyone's watching. That's what happens, right? Murphy's Law. So I'm going to go through some more grapes, get all this done, and then I'll do the tomatoes, and then I'll sign off. So if you guys are interested in the close and cut, it is $34.50 on its own. I think that's a very great price. I use this probably 10 times a week in my kitchen, but it also, there's even a better deal. If you get this with our color-coded knife, this one is green, but we currently have blue, a really pretty blue one. Color-coded knives have a 3-year warranty. They are stainless steel. They are dishwasher safe, although that does dull your knife a little bit. So the less you can put it in the dishwasher, the better. But they are terrific. They're lightweight, so they're great for anyone who has carpal tunnel syndrome, but still wants to be able to cut with a good knife. They won't tire your wrist out or pull on those tendons. And they're super affordable compared to our forge cutlery. So if you want like the best of the best, you can get that forge cutlery. But if you just want a basic knife, especially at this time, if you have grads going off to college and you want to get them a nice knife set, you could get them the color-coded knives. But if you get this set with the close and cut, you save $5, and it's a really great deal. Don't quote me on that. You might save $4. That's still a great deal for that set. And it fits perfectly in the close and cut, and it helps you go through all of that really quickly. So there you go. In the amount of time it took me to tell you about that, my bowl of grapes is done. And now I'm going to do my tomatoes, and then I'm going to sign off. Tomatoes done, just like that. So I hope that gave you a pretty good idea of how this close and cut could make your life so much easier. I hope you guys, if you have any questions, just let me know, or of course let your personal consultant know, but you can ask me here too. And that's it. I hope you guys have a great Sunday and a great rest of the week, and happy June, and let's have the best summer ever. Okay, bye. I'm gonna sign off.